Okay, today we're going to be talking about this NXP demo board, the Freedom MCXC444 part. And so that's what the box looks like. And this is what the Eval board looks like. So what we're going to do is the accelerometer LCD demonstration. So let's figure out how we can run that within this xpresso IDE tool. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to be in viewing the project window over here in the C code development perspective, and we're going to come down to the quick start panel, and there's a section about create or import a project. We're going to go get it from the application code hub, so I'll click on that, and we're going to bring up this browser web screen. From there, we're going to go and click on the MCX device family, and then we're going to search for the part 444. And then when we get that, we're going to notice over here on this side, we have a project called the 444 with the LCD display and the accelerometer. So I'm going to select that one right there, and it's going to open up another page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the GitHub link. So I'll click that. When I click that, then down here on the next, I think it should allow me to start hitting next to get this into my project workspace. So I'm just going to keep on hitting next, and I've already got the directory here in the workspace, so I'm going to put the number 2 after it. It'll be the second project with the same sort of application code in it, and I'm just going to keep on hitting next, and keep on hitting next, and eventually this right here should have been selected. So here, let's select, but since it's already in my workspace, it might be a little confused. But if you don't have anything in the workspace, then it will be selected for you. And then eventually you just keep on hitting next down here. And then finally you get to the point where you can hit the finish button. And then after that's finished, you'll be able to go over to your Project Explorer like I have in mine. And I've got the demo now in my workspace. And so once you have it inside your workspace here, and you plug in the USB cable on that USB-C port, what you can do then is down at the bottom, you can hit the debug button. And when you hit the debug button, it's going to compile the selected project. Hopefully you've got the correct project up at the top highlighted and the other projects closed that you don't need. So here you can see it's downloaded the flash into the target, and now we're ready to start running the application. So I'm just going to hit the little green run checkbox up here, or triangle. So we'll click the run button, and now it's starting to run here. So once that's starting to run, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this COM port. When you install a USB cable in here, you should get an instantiation of a debugger and a COM port, a virtual COM port. And so what I'm going to do is, here, let's go back over to here. Let me see if I can stop this program, and I'm going to remove all that stuff. I'm going to go back and hit the debug again, go through the same steps, but this time, I've got my virtual COM port over here, So when I hit the run button, it should, when I hit the run button, it should spit something out on the virtual COM port terminal, and it does, and it says, you know, to lay the eval board down on a flat surface so it can calibrate the accelerometer. Once you see the Z move, the calibration is complete, and at that point, what we can do is we can take this eval board, and I'm going to bang it down on my table here. So you can see that we've picked up some Y movement, and right now the LCD is saying right. So it got banged over here on the right side of the eval board. If I bang the eval board on the left side, now it says, you know, we just had a big impact on the left side. And then I should be able to hit it on this top piece. So bang it over there. And then I'll bring up the back. I think this thing will even, like if you're allowing this thing to fall, it will give you an up indication. So it's programmed to take a bigger movement in accelerometer information to change the LCD screen. You can't just like simply just tap it like that. I don't think it picks up easily. But looking at this output here, you can kind of see that you're picking up some of those bigger movements and what direction the impact was coming in. So that's kind of nice. Also, I think I wanted to look at one other thing here. So this is the demo with the LCD and the accelerometer. They have another example, which is for this eval board, which is called the Bubble eval or project. And let me see if I can run that one real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna close all unrelated projects, but I'll keep the Bubble one open, and then I'm going to go and hit the debug on the Bubble project. And let's see here, is this going to work? See if we can program the Bubble project into the target here. So this one I like. We're going to start this project up. This one I like because when you go look at the information in the terminal, it shows you the values changing pretty rapidly. Plus, you don't have to bang it to get a large impact. So it kind of shows you what the XY coordinates are doing on the accelerometer. So anyway, hopefully that's useful information. And I also wanted to halt this for a second, and the way that I was able to get the project for this Bubble project, let me see if I can go through that real quick. Let's see here. I got to go back over here to my quick start, and there's import SEK examples. So if you click on that, I eventually had to import the SDK for this board right there. And once it's imported, you can highlight the eval board, and you can hit the next button. And then here are all the possible applications that you can run there. And over here you can just search for stuff like sensor or something like that. Let's see if I can type in Bubble. So up there I typed in Bubble, and then you can see for the demo application it says Bubble right there. So if you select that one and then you keep on hitting next over here and hit finish, eventually that example will show up in your workspace. and you can run it like I'm doing here. So we got two projects in this workspace. One was by going through the application code hub, and the other one was importing through the SDK examples for that eval board. So hopefully you found this information helpful to get started on your own eval board that would be coming in this box here. Thanks, and have a nice day.